I'm glad you're here to help put this on because I can't ever put a puzzle together.
So we're putting gravel guard on this, and normally we don't need to take off all these decals. You just don't see it under gravel guard. So, but we're gonna do it because some of these are kind of scratched up a little bit. So we'll take some of these off, but you'll see as we put this on.
Yep.
You won't see any of these decals, no outlines of it through the gravel guard material.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm stoked.
Even this, like this little rusted spot.
Yeah.
I doubt you'll even see that.
Wow.
Through it, so.
I mean, a lot of people know who I am, but I come back home here in the fall and I wanted to start a mulching company here, and I don't have any branding on here, and I came across Dirty Graphix on Facebook, I think it was, and I got a hold of Ty and I showed him which one I liked online out of the few, and then he come back with the one he's gonna put on here, and it's unbelievable. I can't wait to see it actually on the machine, and it's cool that he's able to like send you a picture of it online on the machine so you get an idea. And man, he sent me that. I'm like, there's nothing I want to change. It's fucking awesome.
You got a camera right here and you hit right here. What'd you back into?
Oh, it's like a dead limb on one of like a hard old fir tree limb. I was like, no.
Whatever this tool is, I need one of these. I'm gonna have to, like, I've never seen one.
I haven't either.
This thing's wild, like how good it scrapes without scratching the paint.
And it's stiff too, eh?
Yeah. The razor blade's almost like too sharp and you end up scratching the paint.
Yeah, we'll get this thing all cleaned up and put it on and see how it looks. Oh man, that's sweet. Fuck, that is super cool. Feel how tough that feels, eh?
Right?
Holy shit. Man, that is awesome. Holy, is that thick, eh?
Yeah, we're going.
Wow.
We're going for it. You wanna grab that side?
Dude, that is so thick. Holy shit.
Right?
Wicked.
All right, so we don't have to get it perfect. We're just gonna try to get it somewhat in place. See, we're off a little ways there. We can shift it down. So what I end up doing is just giving myself some slack.
Dude, it's amazing how forgiving that is to be able to peel it back and forth like that.
Right?
I guess I shouldn't push it on.
Quit fucking pushing it on. Not ready. Oh, fuck. This is the other side. At this point, you're kind of committed. You gotta.
Just having PTSD of a kid and dirt bike sticker, rip her right off, eh?
Whoops. Dude, look at that.
That's from the gravel guard?
That's from the gravel guard.
It gives it so much more character than just yellow and black. Freaking sick. Hopefully a guy can just keep growing from here, and this is the perfect start. Something that I love my gold mining, but if I can do this fall, winter, spring, and gold mining for the rest of the year, you know, it works perfect. That sun just makes it pop hard, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
He said, hey. You know
What'd he say?
He said, hey.
Hey.
You know where we are. We're in Canada.
Sick, eh? Man, that is friggin' cool.
It's very sunny. I forgot my sunglasses. We're gonna go do a little mulching. Like this. I suppose I could turn my hat around, but that's not my look. Look, his hat backwards. Let's go.
There she's pulling.
I just don't want to put it into a log up here.
A log up there,
A
bud.
log up here, yeah.
Hey.
Oh, shit, bud.
So awesome.
Pretty fun.
It's so much fun. I love it. Wish I got to do a little bit more of it before I had to head back up gold mining, but a little bit of playing's always good. I'm so friggin' thrilled and over the top with this wrap. It's gonna be awesome when I get home this fall and start doing some jobs and people see that. Perfect.